Hello viewers, welcome to another video of English Education. Today I'm going to talk about my participation in the Robot Challenge 2019. It was held in Dubai and it was sponsored by Emirates Aviation University in Dubai. It was in collaboration of 3 different universities. So the Emirates Aviation University, Coventry University in United Kingdom and Deakin's University in Australia. Our team was comprised of the international team of all 3 universities. As you can see in this video, this is the robot we designed and we implemented, and there are 2 other teams as well. So the robot you see on the picture, we designed it with the control system was a Tennessee microcontroller using 2 different feedback sensor. One is RGB sensor for differentiating red, for differentiating white and black color, and one was, and another was camera, PixieCam. PixieCam is a camera module which has got microcontroller itself inside. It can operate independently, also it can operate with other microcontroller as well. So now let's talk about the robot arena. The arena the robot was operating, it was just a black square, as you can see on the picture, but the white square in the black background you see is the one the robot need to avoid. So the robot will be operating in the black space, but it will be avoiding the white squares. Same time there will be red boxes, red cubes and blue cubes. So the robot need to pick up the blue cubes and it need to avoid the red cubes. The robot will pick up the blue cubes, bring back to the dock which is at the corner of the arena. So that will satisfy the robot challenge requirement. Now our team actually won the second prize of this challenge. Now what is the key takeaway what I got from this challenge? As on that time I was not very comfortable with Tennessee microcontroller. I haven't used it before I actually joined it. It was my teammate from the Deakin's University. They were using the Tennessee microcontroller, so I got a hold of it. But what I did is that when I come back from that challenge, robot challenge, I used my knowledge to develop a guidance system in same environment. As you can see in my VREP other tutorial, I'm just going to show a glance of it, that in this virtual environment, this is my robot I customized. This VREP robot will operate in the arena. The arena is black, and in the challenge it was white boxes which I need to avoid, but in my virtual environment I put some nice trees. So my U-boat robot, which is a KUKA company manufactured robot, so the U-boat robot will operate in the arena. It will find the green boxes, it will pick them up and it will avoid the red boxes. It will bring them back to the dock. Now how can I make the physical hardware performing as it is performing in virtual hardware? That is the project currently I am working on. I will update you on time, so stay with me. If you like this video, please press the like button and comment. Also if you don't like, comment as well, and subscribe please. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video.